Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.